All right, here we have a Demco 1350 grain cart on tracks. Traded in, it's got the big 1000 PTO on it. Hydraulic drive for the bottom auger. You can see the augers in this thing look good. On the this auger here looks like it's okay. This auger here where it comes together is showing just a little bit of wear, but a lot of life left in that auger. Tracks look good. Nearest I can tell, everything, tracks look good. Couple little dings where it probably tapped the semi just a hair when it was unloading. The rollers, all that looks good. The tracks are straight. We'll show you on the other side here in just a second. I do need to show you this right here. There is a non-factory weld on a brace, okay? This brace comes down, and right here, this has been welded. So I don't know if they hit that on something and then had to weld that back. You can see right here where they've rebolted that. But that's the only place on it I think you fault the machine. I don't think it affects the integrity of it, but it's there. I want you to know about it. It's got a roll tarp. Like I say, very straight, good looking tracks. The underneath of this thing, to my knowledge, looks okay. And like the lugs, they look like they're in good shape.
We'll show you the lugs on the other side. Let's video those on the other side too.
But it's a Land Louver 9900 system on the bottom of this, it says. So it's got all the numbers and everything there, but it looks like it's been greased up well. Braces, everything look really good over here on this right side. I think that little place on the left side is the only thing I can tell you about it. It's not exactly what you're going to want to see, but here, let's see these lugs. I think we'll get lugs. These lugs over here look good. I think the tracks have a lot of life left in them.